festival in Korea. It's basically, in those days, Koreans were agrarians, meaning that they did a lot of farming, agriculture. Hence, there are specific foods that are made during Chuseok. So today we are making some of those foods.
So let's put 5 cups of water into the soup.
Their recipe is so splendid and explainable. I've tested all the food. It was nice and easy to prepare.
So rich. When we talk about the kind of vegetables and the kind of spices they use in local spices from their country.
That even without their coaching, I can try it on my own.
This practical experience is very, very nice. I like the food, it's tasty, and I would like to try it more.